back to my channel. Today I have a guest and I'm gonna be filming a spring makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be using the Physician Formula Skin Booster to hydrate the face and to prime it before applying foundation and concealer. So I'm just gonna be applying 4 drops on the cheeks, on the forehead, and on the chin. Now I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation by Matte Poreless, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way, and I'm going to mix both of these foundations together. So now once I put both of the foundations together, I'm going to be mixing them just to give it that equal effect of the skin tone. And now I'm going to be using my Glam Beauty Blender just to blend everything together. And you also want to drag the foundation down the neck so the skin color looks the same. Now I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Concealer. This is amazing because it really covers the dark circles. So we're going to go with a lifted look. As you guys know the steps. To achieve that look is to put this on the corners of the eyes. And inside the inner corners. Just to use the concealer as a primer. The NYX Professional Matte Poreless Powder. I'm going to be using this Morphe big brush just to apply the powder. Now I'm going to be using this kind of brush to apply the under eyes and the lids. Big shot, just to contour. You want to apply it above the cheekbone. And once again, we're going to be tapping the bronzer, not to get rid of the concealer and the foundation that we have applied. Now for the nose, I'm going to be going with this brush, the Morphe brush. This is how it looks like. And once again, I'm going to be using my Morphe bronzer. Now I'm going to be using the Milan blush. And once again, I'm going to be using my Morphe brush. And when applying the blush, you want to go with the uplifting motion, just to give it that lifty look. And now I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, and because this is just a natural makeup look, I'm not going to go with heavy colors. So I'm just going to be going in with this nude brown shade right here. Now I'm going to be using So now I'm going to be doing the crease, and for the crease I'm going to be using this highlighted shade just to give the face a more highlighted look. So usually for me to get this color to be pigmented on the eye, I use a setting spray and I just apply a little bit on my brush and I just spray and then I just apply it on the powder, on the eyeshadow I mean. With the blending with this brush just to blend out the two shades together. Now I'm going to go back with my concealer and I'm just going to put a small wing on the corner of the eye where I applied the eyeshadow to give it that wing effect. Eyebrows, and once again I'm going to be using this angled brush from Morphe. For the eyebrows I'm just going to be going with a black shade, but we're going to be getting rid of the excess not to make it look too dark. Paradise from L'Oreal mascara. Right now I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner, and this one is called Bed Rose. And for the lip gloss I'm going to be using the Marcel Luxe Gloss just to give it that plumpy look. Before applying the lip liner, I'm going to be using the Bioderma Micellar Water. Now I'm going to be using this concealer brush just to clean out the lips. So now once we're done with the lips, I'm going to go with the e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighter Powder just to give it a highlighted look. Finally, I'm going to go with my Radiant Finish Setting Spray by NYX. And I like to use any type of paper, anything, just to dry it up. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. As you can see, it's very bronzy, perfect for the spring and summertime. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It would mean so much to me. And see you soon!